Rear-end collisions. What you need to know. There are many types of accidents, but among the most common is the rear-end collision. While many accidents are considered minor fender benders, that isn't always the case. Rear-end accidents can be quite serious, and often the driver or passengers in the vehicle that was hit may suffer injuries. In some cases, a rear-end accident may be fatal. If you or a loved one was hurt in a rear-end crash, you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries. What is a rear-end collision? A rear-end collision is an accident where a vehicle is impacted from behind. The impact may be mild, moderate, or severe depending on various factors, such as the speed the vehicle was traveling at the time of impact. There are several main types of rear-end collisions. Low-speed collisions. These are likely the most common type of rear-end accidents. They often occur at traffic signals or intersections where speed is low. Generally, low-speed collisions are less serious than other types. High-speed accidents. These are often more serious because the vehicle that approaches from behind is traveling fast. This can happen, for example, when traffic is backed up ahead and the car or truck does not notice it in time to stop. Chain reaction crashes. Chain reaction accidents happen when multiple vehicles hit each other from behind. In some cases, poor visibility plays a role in multiple vehicle pileups. These are the most complex accidents because it can be difficult to determine fault. How do rear-end accidents happen? As with all kinds of accidents, rear-end crashes occur for three main reasons: driver error, mechanical malfunction, and road conditions. Driver mistakes or negligence are the most common cause of accidents. Driver errors include speeding, impairment, distracted driving, failure to yield, improper lane changes, and more. Mechanical malfunctions, especially those involving the braking system, can cause rear-end collisions. Poor weather or unsafe pavement may also be to blame for some accidents. Who is responsible for a rear-end collision? Although the driver who hits a vehicle in the back is almost always responsible for the crash, there are times when other factors may make the accident more complicated. North Carolina utilizes the strict negligence guideline, which means that you may only collect for an accident when you were not at all at fault. The insurance company typically evaluates the accident and ascribes a portion of negligence to each driver involved. Sometimes, the driver who was hit from behind could have been partly negligent. For example, if the vehicle stopped suddenly for no reason, that driver may be at least partly responsible for causing the crash. Every accident is different, so it is important to preserve as much information from the incident as possible. Our experienced personal injury attorneys will help you get the compensation you deserve for your injuries. If you were hurt in any type of accident that wasn't your fault, the negligent party may owe you money for your damages. Call us today.